laws. I call them the log laws. They're calling them the properties of logarithms. So if you have a log of a certain base and its argument is a product, then you can write it, you can separate the product out into a sum. Okay, and then, so this, if the argument is a quotient, you can separate the argument out into two logs of the same base using subtraction. And then this one is the power rule. It says that you can take this n and bring it down out front. You can take the exponent and bring it down out front. So we've been working with these already, so I'm just reminding you of what they are. You should have them in a formula sheet somewhere if you don't have them memorized. Change of base says if you have a log to a certain base and you have a certain argument, then you have to, if you want to change it into like base 10, so you could use your calculator for it, you can just take log base 10 of the argument and then log base 10 of the base and do a division on it, and in that way your calculator can help you solve some of these. And then exponential to log form, if you have, or it goes both ways. So if you have log base b of m equals n, then if you want to put it in exponential form, you take the base and then you raise it to the exponent and set it equal to the antilogarithm. I was calling it the argument, the antilogarithm. So this is the lecture I'm recording on YouTube. So this is for Algebra 2. Okay, so I'm going to do some problems. So letter A. So I'm recording. You can do what you want, but I just want you to know I can't talk because I'm recording. So 84, lesson 84, letter A. Sorry, 87. 87, letter A. It wants us to evaluate log base 6 of 36x squared when x equals 216. So I will probably use that first log law, or this log law that says I can bring the exponent down out front. So then I would have 2 log base 6 of 36x. And then I'm going to use another one of the log laws. I have a 36 times an x, so that's a product. Now I'm going to have to distribute this 2. So I'm going to say 2, and then I have log base 6 of 36 plus log base 6 of x. And then this one, actually there's something nice about this one. This one you can write 36 as 6 squared. So this is 2 times log base 6 of 6 squared plus log base 6 of x. And remember, we can put 216 in for x eventually. So running myself out of room here. So I'm going to use the log law, this exponential, now you can't see, this exponential one, I'm going to use that right here to bring the 2 down. So now I have 2 times 2, log base 6 of 6 is 1. Okay, so I have 2 times, well that whole thing turns into a 1. So that basically, that's 2 times 2. And then I'm going to substitute in 216 for x, but I think 216 can probably be written as a power of 6. I'm going to try 6 to the 4th and see if that's what it is. Oh, it's 6 to the 3rd. I just did it on my calculator. So 6 cubed is 216. So I'm going to write the 216 as 6 cubed. So this will be log base 6 of 6 cubed. Okay, and then keep going, 2 plus, now I can use this log law that says the 3 comes out front, and so that's, and then log base 6 of 6 is 1, so now I have 2 times 2 plus 3, and then that can be simplified to 2 times 5, and the answer becomes 10. And so that's what they want. I'm not going to do all the letter problems for you like I usually do. I'm just showing you this one example, and then you can look in your books for the rest of it.